If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Report filters in QuickBooks Online restrict which data appears in a report based on the filtering criteria you choose. To apply report filters to a report in QuickBooks Online, if using the Classic view, click the Customize button in the Report Customization section at the top of the report to open the Customize Report pane, and then click to expand the Filter section. To apply a filter using the Classic view, check the checkbox next to a filter's name. The filter then moves above a dividing line in this section. Then use the Applied Filters adjacent dropdown or field to select or enter the filter's value or values. For drop-down filters, you can often select a type of filter to apply at the top of the drop-down menu. Alternatively, you can also often select specific values in the drop-down menu by checking the checkbox or checkboxes next to the specific value or values to show. You can also often check the Select All checkbox to select all the filter choices if desired. You can uncheck a checked filter choice in the drop-down menu to remove it from the report filter. For filters that use a field instead of a drop-down, you must type the value to find into the Adjacent Filters field. To remove an applied filter in the Classic view, uncheck the checkbox next to the filter's name in the list of applied filters above the dividing line. If you apply multiple filters to a report, data in the report must match all the applied filters to appear in the report. Alternatively, to apply report filters to a report in QuickBooks Online if using the Modern view, click the Filter button in the Report Customization section at the top of the report to open the Filter pane. Filters in the Modern view show sets of 3 drop-downs per filter by default. Use the first drop-down to select the field by which to filter. Use the second drop-down to select a comparison operator. Your choice of field and comparison operator then determines the number and type of final fields in this set. For most field and operator drop-down selections, then use the third drop-down to select a value or values from the selected field to find using the selected comparison operator. However, if you select a date field and date range, you may need to select 2 dates from the 2 calendar drop-downs instead. Alternatively, if you select a single date like today, you may not need to select anything. Alternatively, some field and comparison operator choices may require you to type a value into the third field to use as the filtering value. If needed, to add another filter in the Modern view, click the Add Another Filter link below the first filter's fields and then repeat the process. To delete a filter, click the small X button to the right of the Field drop-down for the filter. Alternatively, to delete all filters, click the Clear All link in the upper right corner of the filter pane. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.